Good morning, everybody. This is Market Michael here. Now, we are looking at the futures right now, and pretty much they're all hanging on for dear life, and they're all trying to follow this major trend line up. This major move up, it's all trying to follow. I think the move's over, so the next point is looking for points of support. Now, I don't know if that we're just going to keep going down into the open. I don't know what the setup is. This setup looks like it wants to get support. I'll pull up a 5 minute. Look at here, guys. So this is the trend line I was talking about, and we're kind of bouncing off this, and we're starting to enter a new trend. Now this it all depends on where this goes, because we could just trend up, 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 and end up being positive for the open. But I don't know. We're under this trend line, so it should continue to go down. There is a possibility. No matter what, I just think there's more downside right now because look, these are dailies, so this would have to come down to get support. Like for instance, look at here. Look how much we came down, you know, and we're pretty much. It almost looks like though we're at the top of this a one peak. It does look like a one peaker, so that's what I'm suspecting. It's a one jobber, but you know, look here, we're staying in this channel, and we're so strong that we even look like we're gonna break out of the channel. So it all depends on what happens. Now the dollar is looks like we're peaking out. Gold is well, I'm not looking at gold, but gold should be peaking. I mean, gold should be just holding in there slash going down. I'll put it on a daily so I could just tell you the daily action right now. And right now, silver is kind of backing down at that 16.8, 17 level. We're expecting, possible short squeeze, but it's not out of the question. But people are saying that this move up was a short squeeze, and it's clearly not. Now would be the time for the short squeeze because we're at the top. People have put the shorts in from 17 to 16, and if there's enough buyers, they'll have to squeeze up. So gold is going down for a second day in a row, and it looks like we are starting to enter a bearish phase. The dollar has been the safe haven play despite gold going down. Not despite, but because gold is going down, so people are putting their money into the dollar. But that's not really the safest play either. I don't know, guys. I think we're just gonna have to wait and see where the markets take the direction. Let's look at a 30-minute. We'll get a better picture. You know, but even still, this is going down. It just again depends on where this support is. Look at here though. We're on the 30-minute. We're blasting off with it with this positive MACD. Let's look at a 15-minute. Yeah, so this 15-minute shows us declining, although we are bouncing off this support, off this trend line. I mean, not trend line, moving average. So who knows? I mean, it's anyone's guess, but to me, we should end up staying below this trend line. Maybe we'll fight to it. Right, guys? We'll fight to it, but I don't think we'll be able to break it. Once we passed it, once we dropped through it, it was a big sign because throughout the last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, last 13 days, we've stayed above it. So the fact that we broke that trend line means something, and it indicates that we're in trouble. So that's that. I just wanted to make a quick video, update you guys, tell you guys what the futures are doing. I don't see much moving on the radar right now. I just still suspect that, it's just this fishy, that end of day move that switched the momentum. So, be cautious of that because we could just we could do whatever the markets want. It's not like I got a crystal ball or anything. I'm just telling straight up, guys. Straight up, I was just telling you, that we would get we would fail these levels, and we definitely haven't blew through them, but we haven't absolutely failed them yet. So we're kind of in between. I suspect we'll follow the trend line up a little bit, be open for the market open, but I don't see us really taking off. And if we do that, that is remarkable. So that is remarkable. I just want to look at a 4 hour. So check this out, guys. Even this 4 hour looks, we are curling. This selling isn't the end of the world, and we're holding support right where we need to. Astonishing. Well, we're just gonna have to see where this all goes. I'm pretty sure we're gonna fail it, but we could rise up to the occasion and continue to follow up the trend line, open, and then possibly break it. Because everyone thinks everything's fine. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you later. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. I'll make another video about 8:30 or so, 8:40, 8:50. So thank you very much. See you later.